Hey, I'm Eric Rivest. I'm Vice President of Sales at Natrix Technologies. I got an email last week about CharTec Academy, and I looked at the content, and it was really appealing. That's why I joined. Mainly was the content that was really appealing for us was the GlassHive workshops. The GlassHive workshop was first was presented by Gio, the CEO of GlassHive, which was really surprising. I didn't even know before coming, so it was a great surprise for me. And it was basically explaining about journeys, about campaigns, about email marketing, about how to run my sales department through the tool. It was great content. Well, Gio showed us that we could build quotes within GlassHive, which I didn't even know. So we used another tool right now, and we're migrating next week to start using GlassHive to build our quotes and manage our opportunities within the tool. Gio is a great trainer. First, you can tell he built his platform. He's not only the CEO, but he's active in his company. He knows the tool inside and out. He was able to give us sneak peeks on what's on the roadmap. So it was great content. Yeah, Gio's explanations were very clear. Obviously, it was a workshop, so I could have done it at the same time. I noticed the first example, I was lost in the tool, so I stopped and just listened to and looked at what he was doing and building, and I was able to replicate it a little bit later. So the tool itself is very self-explanatory, and combined with his explanations, it was perfect. Gio was very receptive to, first, the questions. There was no stupid questions. He was able to make the content very easy for us to understand. Even though we're not professional in marketing, he was able to give us great tips on how to use, how to best use his tool. Brandy was great. We know that we can tell right away that she's using all the tools that a great marketer is using, and she knows how to make sure that her customers are benefiting from her experience. Well, I'm very excited to start using, I've been using GlassHive for a little bit over a year, but I'm excited to go back home and start implementing what I've learned this week at CharTec. CharTec's staff was so welcoming. It felt like I knew them already. I was welcomed like a family member, introduced to everybody. I was able to have lunch with Alex, and it feels like it's we're part of the family. Thank you. Thank you for the CharTec family to welcome me. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to meet with Gio Sanalitro. It was a great meet. Let's try it, and you'll see for yourself how benefit it can be for you.